Shore Fishing here, guys. Big up yourself. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you, guys, viewers and subscribers. My subscribers, thank you. 110%, guys. Big up yourself. Definitely, guys. Alright, guys. This evening video, guys, it's actually not a fishing video. I'm actually going to do a cook-up of that Barracuda that I caught on my last video. I didn't get a chance to get around to it because we came back so tired. I just had a chance to just bag it up and throw it on the freezer. So now today it gave me the opportunity to do so after work. My brother's in town visiting. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to do this cook-up on this Barracuda. And I don't know which way he wants it. So let me see what's up. Let me talk with him. Pick him up at the hotel. He's staying there with his family and stuff, guys. So he's gonna drop in and chill out by my place for a little while, and I'm gonna do this cook up. So stay tuned, guys. Jamaican Shore Fishing. We are out here, guys. One love. Shore Fishing here, guys. Here goes a fish. I'm about to clean up. Let me get this head cam on because I don't have a steady cameraman. But guys, this is the Barra. Let me get him out of here. He's pretty big. Big guy. Look at him. 5-pounder. Big guy. Look at this. So we're gonna get this guy cleaned up in a second and get him gutted and get him scaled, guys. This is a big fella. So let's get these fins off. On the meantime, I just got him up here on the board. I'm gonna get this guy cleaned up for my brother here. There, guys. So we're about to clean this guy up here. Jamaican Shore Fishing. That's why I tell you guys, I left my scissors on the trip the other day, and one of the worst things was to leave the scissors, because I use it to scale my fish and clean my fish up rather than using a sharp knife. So this is one of my little signature series thing, guys, where I get, alright, that's gone. Get those off. Got those off, guys. So all the fins are off, guys, or all the bones that can stick to me, of course. Let's get the tail cut off here. Alright. So now I got the tail off. Now let's get the scaler, guys. Scaler, no knife. Yeah. Alright.
Lend me the stick.
Alright, no problem.
Can I have one here? Can somebody take it?
Yeah, man, no problem.
Nice,
yeah, alright. I get it, yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, guys. Huh? Yeah, same family like this. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. This is the same family. Hey guys, Jamaican Shore Fishing here, guys. Light's gonna get bad on me in a second, so I'm trying to hurry up and get this thing done here. I'm gonna make a mess of my clothes, guys. Here guys, so Sorry, I need some light. Give me a headlight. What's up, girl? On the table. Huh? What's up, Mama? Hi, girl. How you, good girl? That's my girl. Who's my good girl? Chacha, let me see the belly. Let me see your belly. That's your good mama.
See?
Hey guys, so I just had to get my headlight, guys. So I'm trying to get this fish up real quick before the night catch me, and that's exactly what happened. Night caught me, so now I'm gonna get this cut across the gut here someplace, just like this, guys. I hate doing this part right here, guys, and I cut a little bit too soon, but don't worry about it. We'll get that open. I hate doing that part, and I end up cutting that part that I didn't want to do, guys. But let's get that open and get that this part, but gotta do what we gotta do. I'm on Jamaican shore fishing here, guys. I got a mess on my counter. Apologies, guys. I'm here cutting this barra up. into small steaks on my brow. So I'm trying to get this all done up and sorted out. Wow, Jamaican shore fishing. Yeah, guys, I'm doing a cook up of this barra that I caught last week. I haven't had a chance to get to it, guys. I got them all cleaned up. Got them in here, nice slices, guys. We having our oil heat up in the frying pan back here, and didn't really have much to do with this guy, but just to drop some seasoning on it, guys. I have all-purpose here that I have open already, and get out the trash, and let's get some seasoning on these guys. Alright, guys. So, let's get this camera in here, guys. Get some light over here. Show you guys I seasoned this up. Got that seasoning all rubbed up in it, guys. Nice. Check it out, Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here, guys. That's what's up. Frying pan all heated up. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just drop my garlic in there, guys. I normally drop cloves of garlic in there. Drop some hot pepper in there and let that go ahead and fry for a bit. That's how I know my frying pan is really hot, when that garlic starts to float, guys. Alright, so stay tuned, guys. I'm about to drop the fish in a second. Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here, guys. That's what's up. Come on. That's it, guys, right here. Garlic is in the pan. And we got that frying up. We're going to drop our fish slices in, guys. That's what's up. Come on. Here we go, guys. About to drop the first slice in there. Yeah, look at that, guys. That's what's up. That's one in it. We shouldn't be trying that with your bare hand, guys. I've been doing this for a while, so making a mess. So this is what the golden brown looks like, guys, once I flipped it. So this is what's up, Jamaican shore fishing. Yeah, man. Barracuda fryers. First batch is finished, and I got the second batch in the frying pan. See, guys. We have the second batch in there, and we're about to whip up some pepper I got grounded up already, and some onions. I'm about to make some escabeche for this, guys. So I have some scotchy pepper in here, guys. Scotchy pepper. And over here I have my onions cut up already. So we're gonna get those in the pan with some vinegar, guys. Make ourselves some escabeche. Hey guys, so about to get our onions in here real quick, guys. And each over here real quick. And we grab our peppers and drop that in there, and that's it for there. There, guys. So this is the finished product, guys.
5lbs Barracuda. That's what's up. There guys, waiting on my rice to finish up. I'm good to go. That's what's up. Making shore fishing. Clean this up to my bro. Let's see how he likes it, right?
Shore fishing here, guys. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Big up yourself. Alright, last night after I did the cook up off the barrel last night, guys, I didn't get a chance to do the finishing eating part because it tasted so good and the battery died in the camera, guys, and I was just eating already, and I just decided I didn't want to stop. So I never got a chance to even intro my brother into the video last night, people, because it was actually him that I cooked the barrel up for. So upon doing this barrel last night, it was his first time, it was his wife's first time in eating barracuda, and they never had it before. So I escabeached it. I didn't really do anything fancy, just normal escabeche Jamaican style, and with the vinegar, pepper, and onions, and that was it. So now, upon them leaving today, guys, I'm in the middle of actually editing this video. So I'm going to close this video now, guys, with the finishing touch to this video. All right, so this is my brother David, guys. David from my brother David lives in Boston, Massachusetts. So my sister-in-law, she lives in Boston, Massachusetts. Big up to my Boston fans, definitely. Big up to all you Bostonians, definitely. Yeah, and I'll big up Dorchester, Roxbury, Mattapan, High Park, East Boston, you know, so yeah, all the places. So anyways, guys, I'm gonna close this video out and I'm gonna ask David, how was it his first time having barracuda?
Good, yo, first time, good texture. I mean, it had a taste between, I would say, kingfish and snapper, you know, so it was a good texture. Good texture. First time eating it, I could say it's a go, you know? Yeah, real weird.
Elidia, what do you say? How was your first time having barracuda?
So I'm not a fish person, but it was amazing. It was in between, like he said. I was saying snapper and salmon. When he said kingfish, that made sense. It was very flavorful. The spices was there. The pepper was there. It was amazing. I'm a lobster girl, but I still had to eat plenty of it before me give it a plate.
That's what's up. So yeah, guys, so yeah, man. So Elite and David is here from Boston visiting, and they're heading back home today. And they came by last night. We had a few drinks. They tried out the barrel and it was pretty good, as you hear. So this is what's up, guys. Jamaican shore fishing. That was the end of this video, guys. Big up yourselves. Please, guys, like, share, and subscribe to the channel and watch the ads, guys. That's how we make a little bit of revenue towards the channels by the ads that posted on our channel. So big up yourself, guys. Give that thumbs up.
Authentic catches.
That's right. We are out here.